Hello and welcome to day number 69 of our Travel Trader series. And if you followed the markets today, you can see that we are back to the drop in panic mode. So we went down another 7-8% today. And this morning when I saw already that we are dropping down, I pretty much knew we would have a little reaction upwards and then continue to drop a little bit. But markets currently are completely crazy and as nuts as a lot of people that get afraid due to the media things that we are hearing about coronavirus. So I just decided this morning that with the mentoring account, I don't participate in that craziness. So I decided to have a workout instead and looked a little bit around the city, had some walk and got some exercise, which is great. So I used my time otherwise. Many of my students are still engaged in these shorts where we make a lot of money when the markets go down. So we have a huge smile and I'm really, really happy for them making a lot of money out of this drop, which is completely fine. And I will wait a little bit until we get back to normal and then we will make some money again in these things. I had a little gold position which went out with plus 669. We got stopped out in our natural gas position with 1260. So lost a little bit of money today, but that's completely fine. For volatility trade, we're currently in the negative as it spiked up pretty bad in the morning and now it comes down, and within the next 2 or 3 weeks I expect that we reach our target and we make some money out of it. So that's perfectly all right. For the moment I just let the craziness go on. Tomorrow I will see how the volatility is, if it makes sense to participate and to make some money out of the market movements. Otherwise, probably have another lazy day, having a speaking, continuing the speaking tour in the evening. So I will speak in Mannheim tomorrow, and I rather focus on that than on these things. However, in a bit, like in 7 minutes actually, I'll be having a webinar with my students and we will look into current market opportunities. So let's go through a lot of things and see if we have some opportunities there that we still can use, and then I will keep you updated whether we are trading these things, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. So I wish you a great evening, have a great time, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.